What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be testing out the 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette from Morphe. I actually got this for Christmas, but look at this palette. It's so beautiful. What do you guys think? Has anyone tried this palette yet? If so, let me know down below what do you guys think about this palette. I honestly don't even know what to use, like, for the colors. There's so many, like, different choices. I don't know. I guess let's get started and play around with this eyeshadow palette. I already have my full face of makeup done. I'll list all the products I use down below. I'll leave all the products down below right here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to use the Morphe, sorry, this thing is disgusting. It's the translucent eyelid primer. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my lids. I'm going to take this Morphe Jeffree Star little, like, blending brush. I usually use this for, like, concealer, but it'll work for, like, prepping the base. I like using those especially with, like, the Morphe eyeshadows because it just works well together. Also, the lipstick I'm wearing is the Bella Pierre lipstick in Incognito. This is such a perfect, like, nude color on my lips right now, and it's so buttery. I love it. But anyway, let me just quickly blend this. Alright, so we have that, and I'm gonna take my Jeffree Star JS5 blending brush, and I'm gonna go into that dark red shade. Tap off the fallout, and we're just gonna start blending. I'm just gonna kind of, like, I guess, pack that on the lid right here. And I have, like, a really nice trick. You're gonna just, like, kind of pack it on, but we're gonna tilt the brush upwards and start blending that shadow up. It's gonna kind of, like, make my eye look a little bit bigger too, and it's gonna blend the eyeshadow better and easier for you guys. So far, I mean, this palette seems like a typical Morphe eyeshadow palette. Almost reminds me of, like, the James Charles palette. This shade might be honestly a little bit better. It doesn't seem so patchy. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna slowly start blending this upwards like this, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye as well. Alright, so that's for the red shade. So far this blended really nice. I really like the color of this eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna get rid of that pigment, and I'm gonna take that, like, lighter red shade that's right over here. I'm gonna use the same brush. Actually, let me find, like, a smaller brush. Yeah, let me try to take, like, this Luxie 237 blending brush right here. And I'm going to take, like, the smallest amount. Literally, like, I'm barely touching it. And I'm just going to try to, like, blend this upwards. Just kind of, like, letting everything. Okay, I really like that so far. What do you guys think? Then let me maybe take, like, the smaller brush that I have right here. And I'm going to tap into that, like, brown shade that's right next to the dark red shade. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that, actually. I don't know if I like that dark brown. Alright, I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. What do you guys think? Yeah, we're just gonna keep it like that, and I'm gonna cut out my crease. I'll be right back then. I'm back. I cut out my crease with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I'm gonna go in with this gold shade right over here, and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. Ooh, this is a pretty, like, champagne-y color. Oh, I really like that. That's a really pretty champagne-y color. What do you guys think? And I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. And then I really want to go into this color right over here. And I'm gonna, like, wet my brush with the Morphe setting spray to just kind of give it a little bit more extra popping. Ooh, this is really, like, pigmented. That's cool. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. It's not as glittery as I thought it would be, but that's still a really pretty, like a gold color. Okay, I like that. And then maybe I want to play around with this color right here, like this glittery gold color. Ooh, that's a straight out glitter. So I'm just going to focus this glitter mostly on the center of the eye. Okay. So that's all for the eyes, I believe. Like, this came out really cute. Wow. I really like this palette from Morphe. I think this might be so far like one of the recently like best palettes. Like, I think this one and then the Morphe, not Morphe, it's the Morphe Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette that they just came out with. Those two I think would be like my top number 2 like palettes. This is really good investment, and I think it's on sale right now for like $30 something at Ulta. So go grab one of these. That's cute. Alright, so I'm going to go quickly put some lashes on, and I'm going to be right back with the finished look to show you guys. Be right back. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I mean, I personally love it. It's so pretty. It's super glam, but also pretty easy to do, honestly. And if you were tempted to buy this palette, dude, go buy it. It's good. And I think it's on sale for like 30 bucks at Ulta right now. And it has so many shades. Like, this is great. So yeah, that's all. I love you guys very much. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me. Check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And that's all. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.